Physical activity can improve your health. When you start working out, you improve yourself. It can lower the risk of early death. Oh, by the way, don't do meth. It can improve bone health and decrease body fat. You know what we mean by that. It could be disabled or age really fast. So exercise and you'll have a blast. If you're feeling fat, have no motivation, you are the victim of intimidation.
When you're 13 to 18, you set personal goals. Doing physical activity will improve your soul. Sports, PE, and games are totally cool, especially when no one breaks a rule. If you happen to get a little bit mad, you shouldn't make anyone else feel bad. You're taking a chance to be the best. You're putting your skills to the test.
PHYSICIAL. Gotta work hard to get well. ACTIVITY.